I'm Rinmay Sanjay Matre from St. Mary's ICC School, Koperkeni. I have chosen to make a working model on a remote control battery operated street sweeping van. It will clean our roads and areas, and it will also conserve the non-renewable source of energy. It will help us a lot in the future. The materials required to make the car are 4 motors, 4 wheels, some wires. I have used black and red as per my understanding. I will use the red wires for the plus points and the black wires for the minus points. 4 wire connectors, a tape, a double-sided tape, a screwdriver, and a box for the base of the car. I have used this plastic box, and there are some more wire connectors here as they are convenient to use. And I have also sticked a PVC sheet to the bottom of the box as the bottom of the box is undulating and the motors cannot be stuck to it properly. And the holes on the PVC sheet are for the vacuum pipe to pass through it and for the wires to pass through it. To make the wheels of the garbage car, we will need a motor, a car tire, and some wires. So first we will take our motor and the wires and connect them together. And then we will take some sellotape and stick them together. Attach it to the motor. You should get something like this. Now we will have to do the same to all 4 tires. This is how the tires should look after they have been taped and the wires have been connected. So this is the first tire, and this is how we taped it, and this is the plus wire, and this is the minus wire. I have done the same with the second one. This is how we taped it. This is the plus wire and this is the second wire. I have done the same to all 4 tires. Now we are going to stick all the 4 wheels to the box using double-sided tape. So first we will take some tape and stick it onto these motors. Of the second side. Now let's stick these wheels. End results should be something like this. Now let's connect all these wires. For that we will take all the wires and put them through this hole. plus wires from two of the wires of the wheels and connected them together like this. And I have done the same with all the other wires as well. Now I am going to take a Y-shaped wire which I have made and use a wire connector and connect both of its ends with the wire connector sockets. I have used this Y-shaped wire so that the power could be equally distributed among all the wheels. Like this. Now I am going to pass the other ends of the wire through these holes and connect them here. These wires will be going to the remote control. Is to make the vacuum cleaner. We need the vacuum cleaner so that the garbage can be sucked into a box and we can remove it. So the materials required to make the vacuum cleaner are a small box of about 3 to 2 inches, a CPU cooling fan which is about 3 into 3 inches, a big box of about 4.5 into 4 inches, a tip of a bottle cap and a pipe, washing machine drainage pipe, a pair of scissors, a net of about 4 into 4 inches, a screwdriver, a double-sided tape and a scale. So first we will take our box and some bolts. I have already drilled the bolts into the box. Then we will take the CPU cooling fan and place in such a manner such that the air is blown on our face and not inside the box. And we will take some nuts and close it. Like this. Now we will stick the net in the inside part so that the garbage does not get blown away. For that we will take the double-sided tape and cut it and stick it on the borders of the box. Now let's peel the top paper. And now we will place the net on top. And now we will put another coat of double-sided tape on the net so that it does not get off. something like this. And now we will close it and put the cap on. So the end result should be something like this. Now let's take the vacuum cleaner inside a car. For that we will open the car, and I have already put some double-sided tape where the vacuum will be. So now let's remove the pipe of the vacuum cleaner and put it through the hole so that it would be easy for us to keep our vacuum cleaner in place. Now let's put it back on it. So now our vacuum cleaner is placed. We will put these wires through these holes here. Now we will take this mechanism and put it on the beginning of the pipe, like this. I have made this remote control using a big plastic box, some switches, some wire connectors, and a speed controller. This is the speed controller that I have used. It has 3 buttons over here. This O button indicates that it is off. The I button indicates that the car will move forward slowly according to the speed we choose, like when we move this knob. And similarly, when we click on the second 2 eyes option, the car will move backward on the speed we choose. And this is another button that I have used. The O here indicates that it is off and the I indicates that it is on. It can be easily found at any DC electronic shop. So I cannot show the wirings in this box because it will take too much time to connect them together. So I'll explain it to you. So this is the wire connector which I have used. From the other side of the socket, the wires from the batteries will be connected. So this is the plus wire that will distribute the energy among the other switches here in this box. So the energy from the plus wire first goes to the first button, which is our on off button. And when we on this button, the energy will be then distributed to the second one. And this wire then distributes the energy to this button. And this button also distributes the energy to our to our speed control. And when we turn on this button, the energy will be distributed to the vacuum cleaner through this switch. Similarly, with the black wire, the energy from black wire from the vacuum cleaner is joined here, and the black wire in the control is also joined. And I have, if you have noticed, I have also used double-sided tape in some of the switches so that the wires cannot join together, and if the wires join together, it can cause sparks which can damage our battery. Now let's connect the remote control with the car. But here is a little reminder. Our vacuum cleaner runs on 12 volts so that it can suck up the garbage. But our car runs on the speed controller. So for identifying the wires, I have made an identification code. You can see that there are 4 wires here, 2 reds and 2 blacks. But I have also applied some tape on one of the pairs. And these are going to be the pairs that will be connecting the car with the car sockets, and the vacuum cleaner will be connected by these wires. And I have done the same on the other end. Now let's connect them together. Connection is done. Now that the connections are done, I want to tell you something. So this is our remote control and this is the vacuum button which will turn our vacuum on. And this is the vacuum socket, and I have perfectly matched it with the vacuum socket on our car as well. And this is the car button which will move our car forward, backward and keep it off at some times. And this is the car socket from which the car motors will work on, and this is the car motor socket. Now remember one thing, to perform all these experiments under adult supervision. And if one of your parents has knowledge about wire connection, it is always the best option. Now let's see how our model works.